And what are you gonna do right now?
Load the mates.
Okay, let's go. Show me. You're supposed to go around and not jump over it. Come on, find the way. Can you find your way out? She can't seem to find her way out. It looks like she got stuck already. Now she wants to jump over the hay. And she's not supposed to, because that's cheating. Hey, did you make it? Hey, did you do it honestly or did you jump over the hay? Look at me. You jumped over the hay? Huh? Answer me.
I took it.
You jumped over, huh? You couldn't find your way? Did you get a little lost? Look at me. Did you get a little lost?
Yeah, I want to go on the slide.
Okay, let's go. Go, 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 go.
Big boy now. Birthday boy.
She's all the way on the top. She's in line 2. Go on the slide. It's a little bit hard to see because of the
See him?
sun going down. Get in line!
It's like a luge. You want to go back to the chickens?
Yeah, let's check out the chickens.
Let's go, homie.
Come on, guys.
I have a shirt on, baby. I'm not going down with my thing. Now, you go down with brother. Come on, boys.
She went.
We're going to do the choo-choo.
Vayan otra vez. Cálmense. Go, go, go.
Stay in line.
Three amigos!
You guys don't slide, huh? You ready? Tell me when.
Where y'all going, Jude?
There she is. There's the birthday boy, there's Papa, there's my fam. Hi everyone! Woo! Allá andan de alcahuetas, grite y grite. Our Kelly family over there. Okay, guys, so this is it for my little rugrat. We are here at Mother's Nature Farm Ranch Mother's Nature Farm in Glendale. Come for a nice pumpkin patch, some slides, a hayride, maze for the children. Come on down when you're in Arizona and it's October. Look at that.